Hi guys, it's Shannon again. So basically, as of this weekend, hopefully I should also be doing stuff on cosplays. How to make them, how to dye wigs. Me personally, I'm doing a Harley Quinn cosplay, which I'm making from scratch. So I will video all that, show it all the basic steps, all that. It may be quite long though, just warning, because I don't have a sewing machine. Anyway, so yeah. And I will also be split dyeing a wig, and I know how hard it is to come across a video on YouTube showing how to do it. So I shall video that as well, and yeah, I shall upload it for any of you cosplayers. Okay? Shannon out.